Rounding. Here we've got decimal places. We want to round to 1, 2, and 3 decimal places. If I want 1 decimal place, that means I want 1 digit after the decimal point. 2 decimal places means 2 digits after the decimal point. And 3 obviously means 3 digits after the decimal point. So for this number, I'm looking at the 3 because that's the first digit, and look at the 7 whether to round it up or round it down. Well, if it's 5 or higher, round up. So it's 4.4. If I do 2 decimal places, I'm looking at the second digit. That's the one I'm going to be rounding. The 4 is next to it. Because there's a 4, I need to round it down so it stays the same. 4.37. And then again, if I do 3 decimal places for this number, I'm looking at the third digit after decimal point, which is a 4. Because it's 9 there, I need to round it up. So it becomes 4.375. Moving on to this one, we've got 9.9951. To 1 decimal place, again, same process. Look at the first digit after the decimal point. Because I've got a 9 there, I need to round it up. Well, the next number higher than 9 is 10. I can't fit that in one column, so I have to put the 0 there, carry the 1. Well, if I do 9 add 1 there, I also get 10. So I need to put a 0 here again, and then carry over a 1. So in total, I'm going to have 10.0. For 2 decimal places, you can see here that's the 9, so I'm looking at the 5. Well, the 5 is going to round it up, so that becomes a 10, that becomes a 10, and that becomes a 10. So I've got 10.00. Really important you keep those zeros in, otherwise you will lose a mark. Well, the third digit after the decimal point is 5. Because I've got a 1 there, I round it down, so I've got 9.995. Easy as that. Little side note, if you're talking about money, rounding money, you need to make sure that you have it to 2 decimal places. I don't say I've got 3.5 pounds. I always say I've got £3.50, okay? Don't lose an easy mark by not rounding properly.